Hi, this is a short video explaining the physics behind what makes our wind tunnel work. The first one is air pressure. The air in our atmosphere is made up of many different types of gases, and when gravity acts upon this air, it exerts a force onto the earth. The second one is aerodynamics. Everything has weight, and that weight is gravity kind of enacting on it and pushing it down. So in order to lift something off the ground, you need to have an opposite push from the ground up in order to lift it. The third one is free fall. The speed of the air in the tube is greater than the terminal velocity of the fabric, so therefore the fabric is able to be lifted up and out of the tube. Next, I'll be explaining the four forces of flight. These are lift, thrust, drag, and weight. And these affect how an object moves up, down, or faster and slower. The first one is weight. Weight is obviously the weight of an object, which depends on how much gravity is being enacted upon it. Weight. In order to get something off the ground, you need to have lift, something pushing it up and going against that weight. Drag is what makes an object move slower. It's kind of like a force fighting against it. And it depends on the shape of the object. If you have something that's round, it's going to be able to push through that force easier, and if it's flatter, it's going to have a harder time. It's similar to how it's easier to run through air than it is water, because water is heavier and has a greater drag. Thrust is the last one. It's what keeps an object moving forward, and in order for an object to keep on going forward, there needs to be more thrust than drag, so it can fight against that.